Hello, in today's video, we will study about C++ conditions and if statements. We already studied about logical conditions, and we know that this symbol is used to represent that A is less than B, and this used as A less than or equal to B, while A greater than B, A greater than and equal to B, and A equal to B, and A is not equal to B. So these are different logical conditions that we can use to take some important decisions. We can say that in real life, we say that if it is raining outside, then I'll not go to school or at work, and if it is not raining, then I'll stay at home. So in programming, how we can program such kind of situations, and we can take intelligent decision based on certain conditions. So we can do this with the if statements. For example, if a particular statement meets a certain criteria, then the block will be executed related to the statement, and otherwise the other block will be executed if the same condition is false. So let's see if statement. Firstly, basically if statements are used to specify a block of C++ code to be executed if a condition is true. When this is the syntax if, and here we will write the condition, and this is the block of the if statement. If the particular condition is true, then this block will be executed. So let's see its example. Let's declare a variable A and assign its value 20, and here is a condition if A equal to 20, and it's a block, then cout, let's say found. And always do remember that whenever you write the body of a if statement, always write open and close braces together so that it will be easy for you to find any error if it comes. Okay, now let's run this code. Now let's see that what output we are going to get. So always do remember that if this block means that whatever is written in between these two braces will be executed if the certain criteria is true. So you can write any mathematical expression or whatever loop or anything that you want to be executed in this block. So if the criteria will be true, then the whatever you have written in the particular box, it would be run. So here is the output. Now let's see what is the output. Because we are expecting that the condition is true and the block written in this text is written in the block and it is executed. Let's see if it's 10, what will happen. Now condition is false, so the condition is false, so nothing will be run. Now let's run it again. So let's see what we will get this time. So nothing will print because the condition is false, because A is equal to 20 and it is which is not equal to 10. So there is nothing that we are telling to the program to run if the condition is false. Now let's see, nothing is printed here. Okay, so condition is false, so that is why nothing is printed. What if that I want, if condition is false, then print out cout not found. Okay, so we call this if else structure. If the certain condition is false, then this block will be executed. If the certain condition is true, then this block will be executed. Now let's see that, because if we try run this, A is equal to 20 and 20 is not equal to 10, when control comes there, here is a 20 which is not equal to 10, the control will skip this block and move to this else statement, and we'll see that and it will execute whatever will be written in this block. So what output we will get now, it will be not found. So this is what we get. It's not found. It's mean that if we want to run certain situation, if the certain criteria is true, then it will execute it the block written under if statement. Otherwise, if the condition is false, then it will execute it the block written in else portion. So this is known as if else structure.